Alam mo yung feeling na bigla ka nagising in the middle of the night tapos hindi mo ma-explain yung nararamdaman mo. Yung parang may mali. Wala namang sunog. Wala namang lindol. Pero may something sa hangin. Well, sa isang remote na lugar sa Africa, may isang lake na pumatay ng buong barangay in just one night. Walang gulo, walang sigawan, walang struggle. Isang segundo buhay sila. The next, wala na. And the craziest part, the killer was invisible. Let's talk about the mysterious story of Lake Nyos. Okay, so let's rewind. Northwest Cameroon, Africa, August 21, 1986. Meron doon isang crater lake called Lake Nyos. Super tahimik. Parang chill countryside na surrounded by trees, bundok, at mga maliliit na villages. At night, everything seemed normal. Yung mga tao sa paligid ng lake, natutulog, kumakain, nagkakwentuhan. Walang sign na may masamang mangyayari. But then, around 9:30 p.m., a loud rumbling sound echoed from the lake. Akala ng iba, may lindol or may bumagsak na bato. Pero ilang minuto lang, something strange happened. Biglang may kumalat na puting fog, parang usok galing sa lake. Pero hindi to ordinaryong fog, guys. Yung fog na to was pure carbon dioxide. As in carbon dioxide overdose levels. Ganon. It was invisible, heavy, and silent. It rolled down the hills like a ghost. Pumasok sa mga bahay, sumiksik sa mga village, and then people started collapsing. Walang ingay, walang pananakot, just people passing out. By morning, 1,746 people were dead, kasama pati mga hayop. Around 3,500 livestock. Even the flies and birds around the area, guys, wala na rin. As in, everyone in the carbon dioxide path suffocated to death. And here's the craziest part, walang signs of struggle. Parang natulog lang sila tapos hindi na nagising. Nung una, padaming theories. May chemical weapon ba? May volcanic eruption ba? May demonyo ba sa lake? Oo, may nagsabi talaga niyan. Pero after several investigations, scientists found out that Lake Nyos was slowly collecting carbon dioxide for years. Yung magma, guys, sa ilalim ng crater lake, naglalabas yun ng gas which gets trapped sa deepest layers ng lake. So over time, sobrang dami na ng gas and one day, something triggered it. Most likely a landslide or underwater quake. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng sudden degassing. So imagine nyo yung soda bottle na nilagyan ng Mentos tapos niyug-yug na ganyan tapos binuksan bigla. Ganun yung effect niya. Yung gas that exploded out formed a thick cloud and swept the villages silently. So ano ba yung tawag dun sa nangyari? Yung tawag dito ay limnic eruption. Very, very rare tong incident na ganito. As in, ilang beses lang nangyari sa buong mundo. Another case was Lake Monon, also in Cameroon, 2 years before that. Pero yung Lake Nyos was the deadliest one. Yung carbon dioxide cloud was colorless, odorless, and heavier than air. So, bumaba siya sa valleys and enough to suffocate an entire region. So guys, after the tragedy, scientists from all over the world came together and installed special degassing pipes sa lake. Para siyang giant straw na dahan-dahang pinapalabas yung gas para hindi na siya mag-build up uli. And hanggang ngayon, the lake is still being monitored. May takot pa rin kasi if the natural dam breaks, baka may flash flood and another gas explosion. Alam niyo guys, sometimes nature doesn't need fire or earthquakes or storms to kill. Minsan, isang invisible cloud lang ang kailangan. And just like that, a whole village can be erased overnight. Lake Nyos proves that the scariest killers are sometimes the quietest. Ayan, so if this story creeped you out, don't forget to like, comment, save, and share it with someone who loves mystery stories. If may alam kang ganitong kakaibang case, drop it in the comment sec. Baka yan na yung next story time natin. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye!